Hey, what's up, guys? And thanks for joining. Today, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the SwitchBot Hub 3. It is pretty much the SwitchBot Universal Remote and Hub 2 combined together, but on steroids. Now, we're going to have a closer look at the SwitchBot Hub 3 right after this. Please, before I jump in, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share it out, as it truly does help out my channel. And as you have a closer look at the box here, you can see what it supports here, including Matter, which acts as a bridge, which is awesome. Have a look at the side here, and then turn it over to the back. Switch it over here to the side. And turn it back over to the front. And with that stated, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. And here are all the items that come inside of the packaging, instructions, and QR code on how to set this up with Matter. So more paperwork here, manual, and then you also have this limited warranty information. You have some adhesive 3M for mounting, a mounting template, and the power cable has an inline temperature and humidity sensor built into it. That way it can provide accurate readings. And this is type C to, of course, type A. Type A power plug. So if you're not going to mount this on the wall, you can use the stand, feed the power cable through here, and plug it into the SwitchBot Hub 3. But it does have the non-slip rubber here, or non-slip rubber feet. And this is the SwitchBot Hub 3. Setting this up is pretty straightforward. I'm going to be using the stand. I'm not going to be mounting this to the wall. So since I'm going to be doing that, I'm just going to feed this through, and we want to make sure this is facing the correct way, just like so. And then we're going to plug it right where it says input. So the one that says output, it states that it's reserved for future sensors. So for now, just worry about the one that states input. Then you're just going to make sure these hook into the holes at the bottom and at the top. There you go. Push it in and it snaps in place. So you want to make sure that the adhesive is facing downward or towards the table, so that way the cable is flat. And if you wanted to go ahead and stick it, you could, but that's pretty much how it's going to lay, just like so. Now the next step is to go ahead and get this connected to the SwitchBot app. For the time's sake of the video, I will not be going through the process, as it is very straightforward. You just open the app, and it would direct you on how to add the SwitchBot Hub 3. Just make sure you select it in the app and then go through the process. What you would do is, once you're in the app, once you sign in and everything, hit the plus button there, add a device, and then the one that you're going to choose is the one that states Hub 3. But then you just go through the process. It's very straightforward. It's all set up. Very straightforward process. You're going to have to do some firmware updates, but that's part of the process. When we take a look here, you see some buttons, home button, CATA button. So this shows you a list of connected devices. If you press it once and you press it again, it takes you back to the home screen. There's an on and off button, and then there's a back button. I'm not sure you can see those 4 tiny lights there, but those are custom shortcuts that you can add, and they are tappable, which is nice. On the side here, there's a speaker. Of course, you have the twist knob, which allows you to choose your device that you have connected to it, such as an air conditioner or even a TV. And then this circular portion here is a passive infrared sensor. And you also have a sensor on the top. Now, if you're currently on the fence about purchasing the SwitchBot Hub 3, now would be the best time to get it. Now, if you're currently on the fence about purchasing the SwitchBot Hub 3, now would be the best time to go ahead and purchase it. Again, you have all these features, especially if you have the SwitchBot Hub 2. I would definitely say jump on the SwitchBot Hub 3. Once I added the SwitchBot Hub 3, it saw those devices in that room and immediately sync with it. So I didn't have to reset them to add it to the SwitchBot Hub 3, which is awesome. Right now, at the time of me recording this video, this is Monday, 2025 Cyber Week. Now this is normally priced at $120. Right now it's down to $80. So it's a nice discount on it. You could jump right on it, get everything you have in the Hub 2, or even if you're coming from the Hub 1, or even if you never purchased a SwitchBot before. If you're on the fence about it, or if you were curious, I definitely think that right now would be the best time to purchase it if you want to jump on that ecosystem. Now, if you're interested, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video, but this completes my quick unboxing and quick look at the SwitchBot Hub 3.